Hey there GoPro fans, you're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best GoPro accessories for GoPro Hero5 through Hero9 action cameras. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these accessories, feel free to check out the links in the video description. And lastly, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. The first accessory we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got the Vicdozia Telesin Dome Port Lens. Next up in our number 4 spot, we've got the Sametop tripod mount adapter. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we've got the Neewer 50-in-1 action camera accessory kit. Next up in our number 2 spot, we've got the SanDisk Extreme microSD card. And last but not least, guys, in our number 1 spot, we've got the GoPro extra battery and battery charger. Alright GoPro fans, so now that we're at the end of the video, let us know in the comments section which GoPro accessories you think you'd like the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos just like this one.